Hello. All right. I wanted to make sure everyone was on the same page and you knew exactly what is happening this term. So, I have been showing you all week about the change in the courses. So, you can see here that you're going to have an 11 from last quarter and a 12 this quarter. Now, some of you may have, a list view. So it may look like this. Okay, and you have a list view. What I find easiest is to go to these three dots, change it to card view, because that's going to show you the 12 and the 11. You're going to want to make sure you go to 12. Now, this week, all three grade levels have the same coursework. So nothing has changed. You should see a 1 through 9 or 1 through 8 here on the home page. So this is the home page. We are in topic 4 this week. In topic 4, we have 4 links. This is the assignment. The lesson that tells you how to do the SMART goal correctly is right here. The discussion is in yellow. These are the same every week. This right here should say practice, but unfortunately I could not find the picture for this week. So on the home page, you go to the topic. When you get to the topic, it will send you to this page. Now you can just hit next. And it will go through all of the pages. This is the lesson. It explains how to fill out the SMART goal. Here is where you get the SMART goal sheet and where you will end up downloading and submitting it. So you press on the SMART goal, it pops up, you click it, you need to enable editing, you need to save it to your OneDrive, enable editing, save to your OneDrive, you know this is done correctly because autosave is now on. Then, after you get done doing your SMART goal, then you can submit it. The next page on here is Netflix, your physical activity choice, the different choices this week that you should be doing. Another thing you need to do is go to the individual physical activity assignment location. In here, you get your term 2 physical activity log. So you click the blue link, enable editing, and this time when you save it, you need to make sure that you differentiate. That means make sure there's a difference between the first one that you have and the second one. So what you need to do is go to the beginning of the file name, type in term 2, hit save. We're going to be looking at your physical activity log more and more. So as you know, your SMART goal was supposed to be based off your physical activity log. That's why you also needed to have submitted your physical activity log. So now you see I can't hit next anymore. So I'm going to go home. And then that gives me my topic pages. So if I need to go to anything in topic 4, I click topic 4. I have these 4 links right here. You'll also notice you should have a much shorter coming up or to-do list. So right now I have 3 on my to-do list. I have grading. In your to-do list, if I go to student view, you have topic 4. You can click this and it will take you straight there. So make sure that that's what you're doing this week and that you have it completed by the end of class time on Friday the 13th. We will be moving on to a new unit come the following Monday on the 16th, and class is synchronous. We're going to be back online and everything's going to be synchronous. This whole week we have been synchronous, so make sure you are logging in, you are paying attention, and you are answering the questions in the chat. I will see you all soon.